Want to know how to explore and apply for car rentals in Booking.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Booking.com website. So you can just simply search up Booking.com on your web browser and type in it, and you should be provided with this interface right here. So on the top, you should be seeing your Booking.com navigation. So you can just simply see right beside flights, car rentals. So you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected car rentals, here you should be seeing options like pickup location. So you can just simply select any pickup location right here, and its time, and drop off location as well with its time. So you can just simply search for it right here. So you can also drop a car off of the different location by selecting this checkbox. And now you can just simply see its enterprise that will be found soon. So if there are no cars available, make sure you change your time or date. So after a few searches, you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.